What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna show you how to replace the brakes on your car. Most brake systems work the same way, so hopefully I can help you today. I'm gonna get all this stuff out, show you what kind of brakes I'm gonna be putting in. I went on eBay, I think it was eBay, yeah, and I bought some slotted rotors with a kit. I forget how much. I'm gonna look up the price and stuff and then try to put a link in the description. But it comes to slotted rotors all the way around and brand new pads all the way around, so I'm actually pretty happy about this. These are the pads. So I'm about to do a full brake job front and back, and we're hoping to show you. Alright. Let's see, 19, 21, so it'd be 23. These motherfuckers. It's not 23, but it's gonna have to do.
Así nada más así.
First things first, you know, get you some jack stands, jack the vehicle up, take the front wheel out, and then you're gonna see your rotor, caliper, blah blah blah. So if you notice, this one looks okay, but this one right here is stripped. So we tried to do this last time and we didn't have the right tools, so we went online and we ordered this shit, and we're gonna give it a try. See how easy it is to get strip screws out fast. So I'll try to put a link in the description if it works. Even if it doesn't, we're gonna try it out right now. So here we go. Right, so this is what it looks like, a little black box. Pretty nice, pretty well packaged. Okay, close it. Oh, I don't know, I'm gonna stop messing with it. Here, it looks like we're gonna need, yep, I said it was going to be a number 3. So first we need to drill it out, and then when we drill it out, we extract it out like this. So we're going to see how it goes. Or should I use this one? We're using our Hyper Tough Walmart brand drill. Hopefully it does the trick. Do you mind holding the camera for me, buddy? Alright, here we go. You keep in mind you want to keep this in the reverse order. So like spin as if you're taking the bolt off. Okay. So screws out fast. Okay. First we come in, we drill it. There we go. Woo! We have to use the bigger one. There you go. There you go. All right. Well, we gotta admit that easy out. It's easy out. It's easy out as long as you figure it out. Yeah. Just know that you gotta use a bigger bolt than what it is, I guess. So, thank you for watching. We got that screw out. Got it. All right, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it's out of there, boy. All right. Now what you want to do is you know, twist this or move the wheel so you can have maximum space. You're gonna want to take. Well, since we're doing. All right, we're gonna do the caliper and the pad. So we're gonna have to, for the pads, we're gonna have to take these 2 bolts out. And then for the caliper, we're gonna have to take these 2 bolts out. this one, and this one down here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this one, the one on top right here where I'm pointing at, and the bottom one. That's gonna release this whole brake caliper, and it's gonna come out like that. So here we go. So now our next step is we're gonna get 17 millimeter, so we can remove this one right here and this one right here in order for us to take the brake pads out. Okay. So yeah, 17 millimeter. Alright, here we go. So first things first, we're gonna get our tools. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So put your bolt somewhere safe where you don't lose them, you know. Now this thing is gonna come out just like that. It should slide out like that, just like that. Okay. Then you wanna hang this or clip this somewhere up here, so it doesn't, you know, so you don't mess with your brake line. Now, for the moment of truth, check out these pads. Oops. Look at this. Now I know some of you guys are riding out like this because I was riding out like this. And now this is an old car. Just got it not too long ago and we're doing maintenance on it. So, alright, check out your old pads. I'm gonna bring you a new one so you check it out. Alright, we're gonna come grab our pads and our rotor. Let's put this bad boy with us. There we go. Put this thing here. Pads here. Look at the difference. Alright. You got your new pad. You got your old. Yeah. Sorry, boys. You guys were lucky. Alright. So now next thing to do is we're going to remove this thing and get this brake caliper out of here. And then so we can access the rotor. Alright, for this next one we're going to use a 19 millimeter socket so we can remove the caliper. As you can see, it's going to come loose already. That's a good thing. So you want to hold it with one hand and get it done with the other. And screw this up. Once you have those screws up, put them out of the way so you don't, you know, lose it. And then get this puppy out. Put it somewhere safe. That's my GoPro. Alright, now we need to take this rotor out. And in order for us to achieve that, we need to take these two things out. Okay, we got one out, it was stripped. Now we're gonna get this one out. Hopefully we don't strip it, but if we do, we got the tool to remove it. So here we go. There we go. It came out, buddy. I have a Phillips screwdriver, but I'm just going to do this real quick. You can use a screwdriver. Let's get this out. Once those screws are out, what you need to do is you need to just get a hammer or a mallet or something and tap on it from the back or the front. And it's going to come loose. Alright. You can do it all the way around, whatever. There we go. Now it should just come up. Here we go, old one. Oof. Alright, now it's time for the new one. Check her out. Courtesy of eBay. I think I'm gonna try to find the link in the description and get it. All right, now what we need to do is we need to match up the what's it called, the threads right here to this right here. So you want to do it with these two. All right, that's the way it was. So we try come in like this. There we go. No, they match up. Now Amazon provided. Well, I went online and I bought these two instead of 8 right here. They're brand new Honda brake caliper screws. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these on and get back with you. All right, so get you a Phillips screwdriver number 2, and then let's put these puppies in right now. So here we go. They're in. Now we gotta get the brake pads. So we're gonna twist the wheel so we can have access right here. Alright, buddy, here. Let's put this sucker back. Tighten them up. I don't know much about the specifications when it comes to these. I just tried to tighten it up. Remember, you need a 19mm socket. Next is we're gonna grab this tool right here. Where'd you get this? You can find it at AutoZone or any store. Some people use C-clamps. I've used C-clamps in the past. But get you a brand new pad, okay? First, you're gonna wanna be sure that you open your brake fluid cap. You open the brake fluid cap, right? Mm-hmm. All right. And then we're gonna grab a brake pad, okay? Put it as if putting it on the car. And then use this sucker right here. Let's see. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jam it in between the pads, okay? Let's see. We're gonna do it to the left side and the right side. So first things first, we're gonna compress the caliper pistons, okay? In order for us to get the brake pads in. So these two pistons need to go in. So we get a C-clamp or whatever tool. A C-clamp will come here and attach to this, but we don't need a C-clamp, we have this. So we screw it in to tighten it up, okay? And if you notice, we are compressing the pistons. Now, you may notice if you go up there that the brake fluid level has risen, or your tank may be overflowing. Yeah. So don't be alarmed. That's when you pushing back the pressure in the caliper. All right. once it's all the way pressed, we undo it. And then we flip it around. Alright, we flip it around. And we do the other side. Just like that. Tighten it up just a bit to make sure that both sides are tight. And then unscrew it. Okay. Take the pads out. Now to put the pads in, same way. Start from the bottom, I believe. It's easier to begin from the bottom and go to the top. Go from the top to bottom. Like that. Alright, let me put this up here. Alright, now once the pads are in, we're going to want to put our caliper back on. Awesome. Alright. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you replace brake pads and rotors on your vehicle. Okay. So, if I have served of value to you, and if you found my YouTube video to be helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, because every time I have something to repair, I try to film it so I can show you guys, the people that don't know that were in a situation like I was, to fix it. So, thank you so much.